communism is not only about the way of living, it's also about the mindset of studying, right? How you behave, how you study. Right. So yeah, he brought Vietnam and he used the philosophy of Confucius to teach all people in Vietnam. Right. Yes. So since then, our country is got more in order. Yeah.
Not all separate.
Yeah, not all separate. Right. Yeah. He born in the north of Vietnam. Yeah. And here, this tower right here. Oh yeah. It is the one on the bed.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
It is that one. Yeah.
Nice. I love these trees.
Beautiful, right?
They really are.
This is
amazing.
the banyan tree. I think you do have it in the state. Banyan tree. Yeah.